A few days ago, I stumbled across videos like this on TikTok. 4.1 million likes. My curiosity went into overdrive, so I went completely down the rabbit hole. Turns out, this was pure AI magic. Anyone can create this viral video, yet nobody on YouTube has caught on yet. Not a soul. Today, I'm spilling the tea on how to create this viral AI guitar trend. This is your shot to jump on a completely untapped goldmine before everyone else figures it out. Ready to get ahead of the curve? First things first, we need to write image prompts that don't suck. And trust me, I've written plenty that do. The key here is being specific without going overboard. You want to paint a picture, not write a novel. Here's what I mean. Instead of just saying cat playing guitar, we're going for something like a fluffy orange tabby cat sitting cross-legged on a sandy beach, gently strumming an acoustic guitar while ocean waves crash in the background, golden hour lighting. See the difference? We're giving the AI something to work with. Don't worry, you don't have to be Shakespeare. Just head over to ChatGPT and use this prompt. Create detailed image descriptions for your animal playing guitar in various scenic locations. Focus on specific details like lighting, posture, and environment. I need the text prompts. Don't try to generate images. Quick heads up. Sometimes ChatGPT will try to be helpful and generate images for you, especially if you're using ChatGPT Pro. That's not what we want here. We need those juicy text descriptions that we can feed into Midjourney. That little sentence at the end keeps ChatGPT focused. Just like that, ChatGPT becomes your creative writing assistant, and it's better at this than most of us. Now comes the fun part, generating these images. I'm using Midjourney for this, and before you ask, no, it's not free. It's about $10 a month for the basic plan, but trust me, it's worth every penny for the quality we're getting here. While working with Midjourney, you gotta know the right parameters. Don't just throw a prompt at it and expect magic. Make sure you're using the latest version and set your aspect ratio to 9:16. Why? Because we're making content for phones, folks. Vertical is king. Type your prompt, hit enter, and chef's kiss. The results are honestly mind-blowing. I'm talking professional level stuff that would have cost thousands of dollars just a few years ago. Pro tip here, if you don't like what you get, don't just regenerate the same prompt over and over. Go back to ChatGPT, improve the description, try again. It's like ordering at a restaurant. If you don't like the first dish, you don't keep ordering the same thing. So you've got some decent images, but decent doesn't go viral, does it? Here's the beauty of Midjourney. It comes with built-in upscaling that's absolutely incredible. Click on your favorite one and look on the right side, you'll see various options. Hit that Upscale Creative button to upscale whichever image you love most. Midjourney will automatically enhance the resolution and details. The difference is night and day. We're talking about the difference between watching Netflix on your phone versus a 75-inch TV. Same content. Completely different experience. Things start getting spicy from here. We're taking those static images and breathing life into them. There are tons of tools out there, Runway, Pika, Halo, but I'm rolling with Kling AI. Here's the deal with Kling. Make sure you're using version 1.6. That's where the magic happens. If you're going the free route, buckle up Buttercup because you're looking at wait times that'll make you question your life choices. We're talking 20+ minutes during peak hours. My advice? Go full vampire mode and generate your stuff around midnight when everyone else is sleeping. Trust me, your patience will thank you later. Moving on to video generation, it's not just about uploading an image and crossing your fingers. You need to tell the AI exactly what kind of movement you want, and this is where most people fumble the bag. What would I say? Again, don't just type cat playing guitar. Go back to your buddy ChatGPT and ask for specific movement descriptions. Something like, describe subtle, realistic movements for a cat gently strumming a guitar, focusing on paw positioning and natural body language. ChatGPT gives you gold. You paste it into Kling, and suddenly your static cat is jamming out like the next Ed Sheeran. Well, if Ed Sheeran had whiskers and a tendency to knock things off tables, visuals are great, but TikTok without sound is just weird. You need audio that matches the vibe. I tried the usual suspects, Pixabay, free music libraries, meh, nothing really hit different. Then I discovered DubDub, and honestly, game over. This thing is like having a sound engineer in your back pocket. Best part, they hook you up with a 3-day free trial where you can test drive every single feature without dropping a dime. After that, it's $11 a month, which honestly isn't bad considering what you're getting. That's like 2 fancy coffees for unlimited custom sound effects that could make you go viral. Seems like a pretty solid trade-off to me. This is what you do. Go back to ChatGPT. I know we're best friends with it at this point, and ask for specific sound prompts that match your scenes. Create audio descriptions for guitar music that matches a serene Paris setting with a cat. DubDub takes that description and creates custom sound effects up specially for your video. If you need background noises, feel free to use Pixabay. They've got a solid sound effects library that's completely free. Search for whatever ambient noise matches your scene and download those too. Next steps, putting it all together. Now it is editing time, and before you start panicking about learning some complicated software, relax. We're keeping this simple with CapCut because it's free and it works. Import all your video clips and drag them onto the timeline one by one until you've got all the clips in place. It's like building a sandwich, right? Order matters. You'll want to make the flow smoother by adding some transitions. Click the transition button in the top left and you'll see hundreds of pre-made transitions to choose from. Don't go for anything too flashy. Keep it simple with something smooth. Just drag the transition between clips and it'll make everything look more polished. Upload your guitar sounds and background effects to CapCut, then drag them onto separate audio tracks below your video. Match each sound effect to its corresponding video clip. Timing is everything here. Finally, export by clicking the blue button in the top right corner. Set the resolution to 4K for best quality and hit export. Just like that, you've got yourself a potential viral masterpiece. Before we wrap up, I'm gonna be straight with you. This isn't a post once and retire kind of deal. The account's crushing it with millions of views. They're consistent. They're testing different animals, different settings, different vibes. So here's your game plan. Pump out at least 7 videos per week. Sounds like a lot, huh? But quantity beats perfection when you're starting out. Think of it like throwing spaghetti at the wall. Some will stick, some won't, but you need enough spaghetti to find out what works. Once you see which videos are getting the love, more likes, follows, comments, that's when you double down and refine your style. Keep doing this, and honestly, 100,000, 1 million, maybe even hitting that billion view jackpot isn't that far-fetched. And here's the cherry on top. While everyone's fighting for scraps on TikTok where this trend is getting crowded, YouTube is still wide open territory. The key is moving fast. Trends don't wait for anyone, and right now you've got a window of opportunity, but that window won't stay open forever, so it's time to make your move. Want to try these amazing AI yourself? All links and resources are awaiting you in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.